How to create a spreadsheet to manage inventory using Google Sheets. For example, I manage the quantity of products entering and leaving the warehouse. If the quantity of a particular product in the warehouse is less than 20, you will receive a warning. Date, date of receipt, or date of shipment from the warehouse. Requires correct date format. If entered incorrectly, the spreadsheet will show an error. Data validation. Is valid date. Reject the input. Done. You can only enter dates in this column. Next, create a drop-down list of SKUs. Select the cells. Data. Data validation. Drop down from a range. A supplementary table listing the products in the warehouse. List of SKUs. Plain text. Add a description cell next to the SKU cell. It is difficult to identify a product with only the SKU. Use the XLOOKUP function. List of SKUs. List of corresponding descriptions. If not found, leave blank. Exact search. Applies to other cells. Paste special, formula only. Total quantity of a specific SKU received into inventory. Conditional sum calculation. Total number of mouse received into inventory. All 70 mouse have been received into inventory. Next, calculate the total number of mouse shipped out of inventory. Using the conditional sum function. All 30 mouse have been shipped out. Next, calculate the number of mouse remaining in inventory. Simply subtract the total number shipped from the total quantity received. That leaves 40. Warning threshold. You get the warning threshold set from the auxiliary table. You use the XLOOKUP function, list of SKUs. Corresponding warning threshold. If the number of products is less than the warning threshold, a message appears. Compare two cells and display a message if the number of products is less than 20. The above is a simple way to create inventory management using Google Sheets. Thank you for watching. Apply to the remaining cells.